From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
I'm student meteorologist Kaitlyn Potucek reporting from the Penn State University Park campus for the Penn State Campus Weather Service. We're doing some special coverage this evening on the winter storm that has passed across the entire United States over the past 2 days. It is currently on its way out of Pennsylvania, bringing the precipitation out over New Jersey, New York, and much of the Northeast. We'll see some students with some reports from those areas later on this video. But currently our main story in Pennsylvania is the temperatures. We're sitting at about -3 degrees in State College right now, and in the negatives and single digits across much of western Pennsylvania and in eastern Pennsylvania. Scranton is sitting in the teens, with Philadelphia still at 25, but as that front persists throughout the rest of the Commonwealth, we will see those temperatures drop towards 0 and into the single digits. Our even bigger story here tonight is our feels like temperatures, -22 in State College. I'm not looking forward to this walk home. But if we take a look out at Erie and Pittsburgh, you can see we're sitting at -30 for our feels like temperatures. A lot of this is due to an Arctic air mass that is moving its way from west to east across the country. You can see those strain lines bringing in that cooler air, and as that cooler air moves across the rest of the Commonwealth, we will see Philadelphia drop down into the negatives with the rest of our temperature reporting locations. But first, like I said, we do have some special coverage this evening. I'm going to be sending it out to a variety of different students across eastern United States. But first to Charleroi, Pennsylvania with Dennis Kurlov, who's taking advantage of the feels like of around -30 degrees to do a weather experiment. Dennis?
This is Cade Groman reporting from Howell, Michigan. It is currently 10 in the morning, and the biggest obstruction today is blowing snow. We have winds of 25 miles per hour coming out of the west, so be careful while you're driving. Watch out for blowing snow, and also bundle up today. It currently feels like -17.
This is Alex Iverson. I'm a Penn State alumni and former Campus Weather Service president. I'm in North Royalton, Ohio, about 20 minutes south of Cleveland. Currently at the airport, they are gusting between 40 and 45 miles an hour. Wind chill values have dropped near -30 degrees with single-digit or negative temperatures at this time. It's very cold, very windy, and a lot of blowing snow is taking place at this time.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Thomas Witt reporting live from Hurricane, West Virginia, as we have seen this cold front move through the area and the effects that are taking place. Now, this cold front, it moved through around 2:30 this morning, and as it did, it brought rain that quickly changed over to snow, and as it did, we had a flash freeze. Now, if you look down here on my driveway, you'll see that there is snow on top, but right under that snow is a thick layer of ice. It is very slick, and it's going to be very hard to drive on. Now, other than the ice and snow, we have seen bitterly cold temperatures come behind this cold front and high winds. These winds are also bringing very low wind chills. We're sitting around right now currently at 0 degrees with wind chills around -10 to -20. Looking into this evening, the temperatures are not going to get much warmer and the winds are not going to die down, so we are looking at a deep freeze throughout the night.
Hello everyone, this is student meteorologist Matthew Iovino, and I'm currently here on the North Shore of Long Island in Mount Sinai, New York. And behind me you can see some of the worst coastal flooding I have honestly seen in this area. We are nearing high tide. It's about 10:30 a.m. on this Friday morning. We should expect the front to move through early this afternoon with a very drastic drop in temperatures and increase in wind.
Happy Friday, Christian Stallone reporting from Richfield, Connecticut right now at 10 o'clock on December 23rd. As you can see, we had extensive tree damage in town overnight, and it's expected to continue throughout the day with some of these howling wind speeds at around 50 miles per hour wind gusts reported. And as we have this cold front moving through this afternoon, although we're in a bit of a lull right now, those winds are going to pick back up throughout the day and into this evening. And as that cold front sweeps through this mid-afternoon, expecting those temperatures to plummet into the single digits by tomorrow morning, with wind chills well below zero. So it's shaping up to be a cold and windy weekend for the Christmas holiday, and just kind of nasty weather outside right now.
I'm Tyler Hughes in Hampton, New Hampshire, where, as you can see, the largest threat is coastal flooding and heavy rainfall. We're already under a coastal flood warning for much of the day today, and you can see why. This high tide is a big concern. Many side streets shut down, and you can normally walk all the way down these steps to a beach that you currently can't even see. The good news is many people seem to be heeding our